Octopus. Octopus means Ashtabahu. Spelling OCTOPUS. Octopus. Octopus means Ashtabahu. Dolphin. Dolphin means dolphin. Spelling DOLPHIN. Dolphin. Dolphin means dolphin. Crocodile. Crocodile means magarmach. Spelling CROCODILE. Crocodile. Crocodile means magarmach. Lobster. Lobster means झींगा. Spelling LOBSTER. Lobster. Lobster means झींगा. Tortoise. Tortoise means कछुआ. Spelling TORTOISE. Tortoise. Tortoise means कछुआ. Mussel. Mussel means कालव. Spelling MUSSEL. Mussel. Mussel means कालव. Whale. Whale means whale मछली. Spelling WHALE. Whale. Whale means whale मछली. Frog. Frog means मेढक. Spelling FROG. Frog. Frog means मेढक. Seahorse. Seahorse means समुद्री घोड़ा. Spelling SEACHORSE. Seahorse. Seahorse means समुद्री घोड़ा. Eel. Eel means बाम मछली. Spelling EEL. Eel. Eel means बाम मछली. Next, hippopotamus. Hippopotamus means दरियाई घोड़ा. Spelling HIPPOPOTAMUS. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus means दरियाई घोड़ा. Shark. Shark means shark मछली. Spelling SHARK. Shark. Shark means shark मछली. Crab. Crab means केकड़ा. Spelling CRAB. Crab. Crab means केकड़ा. Starfish. Starfish means तारा मीन. Spelling STAR star FISH. Starfish. Starfish means तारा मीन. Next, snail. Spelling SNAIL. Snail. Snail means घोंगा. Snail means घोंगा. Otter. Otter means उदबिलाव. Spelling OOTTER. Otter. Otter means उदबिलाव. Next, penguin. Penguin means penguin. Spelling PENGUIN. Penguin. Penguin means penguin. Polar bear. Polar bear means ध्रुवीय भालू. Spelling POLAR. Polar BEAR. Polar bear. Polar bear means ध्रुवीय भालू. Oyster. Oyster means sheep. Spelling OYSTER. Oyster. Oyster means sheep.